Over in Clarendon, a 9-year-old boy is dead and a woman is nursing gunshot wounds after a gunman launched an attack in Mapen last night. Anthony Lugg reports.
Yellow tape drawn sometime before 8 Friday evening in Railway Mapen, Clarendon. This following the gun attack which left 9-year-old Shamar Walker dead and another injured. According to reports, a group of people were at a shop in a yard when a gunman entered and opened fire on the crowd. When the shooting ended, 9-year-old Shamar Walker and a woman was seen suffering from gunshot wounds. They were rushed to hospital, where the child was pronounced dead on arrival.
Try and look youth, good look youth, willing look youth, any little thing I get, and try to do it.
And you love him bicycle?
Right? And I love him bicycle. I'm on a loving bicycle and I love him bicycle. As a man calling to do something and gone. As I look at water and gone catch it. Right? And that is him, when we know about him. Really cool when we know about him.
No motive has yet been established for the incident, but the community wants to see the perpetrator be brought to justice.
I don't feel good, right? For me cry living in the water where we don't see, right? So I can't feel good about it. For me have my children, them, I got my youth, them, right? So I cannot feel good about it, right? And we have to do something about it, right? So all I can say, we have to do something about it.
Meanwhile, Custis of Clarendon, William Shaguri, has condemned the incident. He too is hoping the gunman will be apprehended quickly.
These type of behavior cannot be condoned and should never ever allow persons like that to get away with what they have done. But this is really a very sad day for the parish. And let's hope that a heart goes out to the parents of that young man. And let's hope that we can find the perpetrators.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.